Okay, so today we are teaching on chemical formulas. Okay, chemical formulas. Okay, so if a question comes, write the chemical formula of the compounds below. Okay, so let's say we're trying to write the chemical formula for calcium oxide, right? Calcium oxide, that's the first one. You remember what I said? The first thing you should know is we should know the radicals for this. So calcium is like this. I'm just trying to help you remember. Calcium is like this. Check the periodic table. You find that calcium is 20 there, 40. Oxide comes from oxygen, and the radical, the nuclide, I mean, it's like here it's 8, here it's 6. The next thing you do, you write the EC. Okay, EC is 2, 8, 8, 2. Okay, that is for calcium. And then the EC for oxygen, because of space, we'll say the EC for what? For oxygen, it is 2, 8, 2,6, because oxygen is what? Oxygen is what there? Oxygen is 8, so it's 2,6. So you use valences. You remember 6. I said if it is 6, you subtract from 8 to get the valence. So the valence, it is 8 minus 6, which is 2. Okay, so these are the valences I have. Okay, these are the valences I have, right? The valence for calcium is 2 here at the end. You can see it's 2 here, 2 at the end. That's for calcium. And then the valence for oxygen is 2 also. Okay, so it means I write now the chemical formula now. I'm writing the chemical formula now. So we'll say calcium oxide, and then I put 1, 1. Always down here I put 1, 1. Okay, so the valence for calcium it's 2. Valence for oxygen is also 2. You always put 1, 1 down, and then the valences you put them on top. And then the next thing you do, you cross multiply. So these two times the one down there, it will be C2 is equal to these 2 times the one down is 2. Okay, so it is calcium 2, oxygen 2. But these two are factors of one another because they can enter into one another. So 2 into 2, 1. 2 into 2 here, 1. So it's just the calcium oxide. That's the chemical formula, CaO. That's how you write chemical formula.